Welcome to the PayGate, PayWeb, NopCommerce 3 plugin instruction video. We're going to start with the GitHub page. So what you're going to do is go to the release page on the official PayGate, PayWeb, NopCommerce 3 repository. And you're going to see NopCommerce 3.9, PayGate, PayWeb 3 plugin. And the current version is 1.1.1 for version 3. So you're going to click that. And once you've downloaded that, you're going to copy that to your desktop or another location that's easy to access. And you're going to extract it all. In Windows 10, the zip functions are included. Some other older versions of Windows may require you to install a unzipping program. It's going to unzip a folder there, and you're going to see payments.paygate and the instructions. In this video, we basically are going to run through these instructions. Okay, so step 1, the plugins window is accessed by selecting plugins, local plugins, from the configuration menu in the administration area. So we're going to quickly just show you where that is. This is the administration area. When you load it initially, it's going to load just the dashboard after you've logged in. And then you can, under configuration, local plugins, you're going to see that there. So I'll just show you there once more. It's configuration, plugins, local plugins. That's where you're going to be wanting to sit. But first, you're going to upload the plugin payments PayGate folder to the plugins folder in your NopCommerce directory. Okay, and then you're going to restart the application or click reload list of plugins button. Okay, so we're going to just run through that quickly. So we're going to go here. We're going to copy our plugin folder there, payments.paygate, and you're going to want to go to your NopCommerce directory and then go to plugins. Now you can access this via an FTP client, or you can, like FileZilla, or you can just, if you've got access to the server, like we've done here, you can actually just copy it straight. So I've copied the folder. I'm going to say paste there, and it is busy copying to, you'll see that it will show up here under names once it's finished copying. Oh, there we go. It's near the bottom, and it's just copying there. And the default, the other payment gateways that come with NopCommerce are PayPal Standard, PayPal Direct, etc. So you'll see that we've got these ones here, and then we've got the nice new PayGate directory. Okay, so the next thing says we've got to restart the application or click reload list of plugins. I'm going to suggest we add one other thing. So in the top right hand corner here, we've got clear cache. So first, just clear cache. Some servers require you to do this. Most servers don't. It just depends on how it's been set up. Then we're going to say restart application. Again, it's not always necessary, but seeing as you're already on the dashboard, you might as well go through and do this. Make sure that you don't restart the application while the site is still in use, because obviously that's going to turn the site off. So if you've got a live site, you're going to want to wait till you have some downtime, or you want to put it into maintenance mode just to restart the app. Now we're going to go to plugins, local plugins, and we're going to hit that reload list of plugins button. And that's just going to scan the folder. It's going to pick up the PayGate plugin, and it's going to add it to the plugins listing so that we can then install it and configure it. While it's doing its thing here, let's go back. You'll see that it says scroll down through the list of plugins to find the newly installed plugin. We're going to do that, and hopefully it's finished reloading. It has. We're going to scroll down, and somewhere here we're going to see PayGate. There we go. There's the PayGate plugin. I'm going to hit that install button. It says installing plugin. If we go back here, it says note if you're running, this is our last step here, step 4. If you're running NopCommerce and Medium Trust, it's recommended to clear your plugins bin directory. So if your server set up so that NopCommerce is running in Medium Trust, just go and clear those directory there. Otherwise, ask your developer, your ISP, your service provider to do that for you. In this instance, and in most instances, it won't really be necessary because you won't be running in Medium Trust. So now we're going to go and hit that configure button. Right, and you'll see we've got the use sandbox, and here we've got the default PayGate ID and encryption key for test gateway. You hit that save button there, and you go and test on the public store. You should see the payment gateway on the checkout page. So we're going to just check that if everything's done correctly. This is the default NopCommerce 3.9 install. So we've got some default products that just get installed. We're going to add all of these guys to our cart. We have the United States address as default, and now PayGate has been added to the checkout list. We can hit continue once more, and if we say confirm, we will be redirected to the PayGate payment page. And we'll just see if that works as it should be. There's your test transaction. And as you can see, you have set up PayGate correctly. Congratulations.